I've spent a lot of time thinking about the problems and the challenges that the video news industry faces, which is both on the television side and the digital side, plus the issues around fake news. And that's when I really felt that what we need is a new platform, a platform that enables one-touch access to personalized newscasts. And if such a platform can be created, it will hopefully solve many of the problems that the industry is facing. And that's really when I decided to try and work towards this. I think, AI is one of those very interesting, it's a buzzword. Sometimes it's overhyped. AI is something which is an assistive tool, right? In our case, we have a human-machine hybrid system. So we use AI at virtually every level of the process. But it's also not that we leave everything to an AI algorithm. There are humans involved everywhere. The control of the system right now is very much in human hands. So it's a sort of a human-machine partnership is what we are doing right now. Actually, I like the way IBM puts it when they sometimes say it's not artificial intelligence, it's augmented intelligence. And that's really the way that we are using AI. A lot of it is proprietary, actually, how we are using it. We've been able to figure out ways of harnessing a lot of it. It's important to note that a lot of AI functionality actually these days is available as a service. Amazon and others to provide services that you can use and you can plug and play. The real secret is not necessarily in building the NLPs or the training frameworks or the neural nets or whatever they are. To my mind, at least, the real secret is being able to figure out, I'm a person with domain knowledge. This is my problem. How do I use AI to solve my problem? That really is where the crux of the issue is. If you can figure that out, actually getting the AI to work for you is not necessarily that tough. I don't think it's right now entirely possible, nor is it necessary. I'm again coming back to it. To my mind, the solution, at least at Editor-G, the solution is a human-machine hybrid system where humans and the machines are working in very close partnership with each other. There are certain things that the algorithm and Editor-G, the EJ algorithm, does better than humans. There are a lot of things that humans do better. At least for the moment, fact-checking is in human hands because we think that the humans are doing it better than the machine is. Yeah, I think over the period of time, we will 100% figure out other ways to how do you monetize this. So yes, there will be ads that are going to come into the app itself. Plus, we will eventually have premium versions of it, which could be really high definition and with special features built into it, to which we can charge money. I mean, there are a range of monetization opportunities that are on the anvil. But yeah, the basic app itself will be free because we want to get the ability to get good quality information into people's hands is one of the goals that we have. In many ways, our mission statement is be informed. So to that extent, we would like that. Lots of features, including, we've tried to keep the basic app very simple right now. There are features, by the way, even in the present app, which we're not even talking about, which people will stumble upon. I mean, just the fact, for example, there's a microphone lurking there. Somebody who's a power user will sometimes say, what is that? And they'll tap it and suddenly say, my God, you can speak to this thing. You don't even have to tap any button. You can speak to it and you can tell it what news you want. But we're not really highlighting that or talking about it too much. We don't want to confuse people. There's a lot happening here already. It's a whole new, it's a paradigm shift. We're trying to change the entire way that video news is experienced. We don't want to create too much confusion. Once we think the basic premise is settled in, people have understood, okay, yeah, I get it. You tap and you swipe and okay, cool, and I can build my own news list and I can add my opinion, I can share it. It's a lot for people to figure out. Once you figure that out, then we start adding new features.